This LED fixture is NRTL listed Class 1 Divisions 1 and 2 and Class 2 Divisions 1 and 2 and approved for use within paint spray booths. The LED assembly is protected by an aluminum-framed thick polycarbonate lens that provides direct front access to the internal components. This LED light has a 60,000 hour rated lifespan. Designed for wall-to-ceiling corner mount applications, this fixture is T5 temperature rated. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.